So if my children say to me, I don't want to go to school tomorrow, I always say to them that education is a privilege. There's so much knowledge in the world that you can benefit from. buildingSMART recognise this, and that's why they've launched an education programme to help people understand the benefits from digital ways of working.
So we've recently launched phase 1 of the program, which we're calling individual qualification, and that's really about developing a base knowledge for industry professionals. And this is it's going to have a huge impact, I think, in how professionals are operating. It's obviously directed at individuals who can sit an approved course and do the test. But we also see a huge impact for building owners, that they can start to mandate and require people with the buildingSMART professional certification to have that qualification.
One of the aims of the program we've learned is that there's a need for a global learning framework. BIM is an international process, and it's an international tool that can be used, and so what we've developed is an international learning outcomes framework for openBIM.
And for a comparable certificate, we need minimum requirements for course providers, and those is what we are defining here. It concerns the course provider itself. It also concerns the experience, the BIM experience of the teachers and trainers to give the best quality on the courses. And for this we have a guideline which includes a process map and which includes minimum requirements which should be kept by all chapters committing to our learning outcome framework.
I will tell you about the complete online solution that we are developing, and it is for both the buildingSMART chapter, is for the course provider, and also for the candidate taking the exam. And it's not a simple system, because we also focus on value-added services, and that means that when the candidate is taking the online exam, he of course get a diploma if he pass, but he also get results in each module, so we can see what was good and bad. For the course provider, we also give a lot of statistics, so they can see when they have a course which element was bad, and so they can improve their education, and that's also important. For the buildingSMART chapter, we also have statistics, both to see the course providers so they can follow up, and also the questions. So it's a more than just an online tool for just taking a multiple choice exam.
The market needs to know what to expect from the different professionals that are involved in building an market. And so there should be a way to certificate and measure and benchmark this level of knowledge in BIM. That's why we are developing the different schema that needed to credit and certify this.
Framework. At the moment we're discussing phase 1, which is about the basic understanding, but we're starting to look at phase 2, which is dealing with personal competencies and the skills that people need to be able to demonstrate to do their actual work that they carry out for clients and for their employers. So phase 2 is going to be a really interesting extension to our current work.
I also work for Man & Machine UK. We've recently just launched the programme, and we're excited with a lot of interest from around the world. And if you're interested in finding out more, then we'd encourage you to go to the website and click on the link or send us an email for more information.
I think that quite a lot of organisations aren't aware of these benefits yet. And we know that when client organisations start calling on their suppliers to be buildingSMART qualified, that's when the world will start to change. We need you to join in, help us improve the way that the built asset environment is managed.